In our last episode, we blasted through about 3 weeks' time in just 15 minutes of video. So in this bonus video, we'd like to share some footage that didn't make the cut for episode 125. It's a beautiful day of sailing from Eleuthera to New Providence.
And we're off. Sound of silence. It reminds me of a song.
I'm gonna try to be gentle on that sail. Here goes. Not bad for a single-handed jibe. I wouldn't say it good either. There we go. Okay. Leaving the bank here and heading a little bit offshore, but we're going through the Aramoroa shipwreck. So we're going to keep our eyes peeled and kind of go on the edge of it. Apparently there's this shipwreck, a large freighter carrying fertilizer back in the 1970s. And when it crashed, it killed all the life here. But since then, most likely because of the fertilizer, life has flourished. And so it's a great dive spot. I watched for the reef as we went through from the banks to the deep water, but it was 25 feet and everything was good. Just didn't want any rocks to sneak up on us. Okay, so we made it to the blue. That means we passed the cut, everything was good, and some big old flying fish out here. We're going to put some lures in the water and see what happens. Smooth sailing today. It's like 50 feet in here and I can see all the way down.
It's crazy.
It's almost eerie. I love it. Oh, this is going to catch something for sure. We're for sure about it. I'm not fishing. I'm catching. So we've switched to the mainsail only. We found that going downwind in less than 15 knots of air, our working jib doesn't like to do it alone, and the mainsail performs better at larger sail.
Remember that bread we made underway today?
Check it out. Killer sandwich. That girl can cook. We also made some split peas yesterday. Today, they're a little mushier, but they're still good. Check them out. High fiber, high protein. What? I know, not the best looking food ever, but geez, these things are healthy. Let me get a focus on it. Back up a little bit. It won't focus. There it goes. Look at that. Protein and fiber.
I think I'm gonna have grilled cheese with Livy.
Iron and calcium. Come on. That ain't baby food. That's adult food, yo.
Really? Are you sure?
I am not sure about that. I like it, though. Thanks for watching today's sailing vlog. Keep your eyes open for a midweek episode this week. And up next, follow as we explore the Bahamas capital, catch fresh conch, take up home in a magical Dragon Lagoon, and discover the paradise behind the shroud.
So beware of this glowing dream. Baby, don't look back to see your life drifting down the stream.